In this video, I'm in the Gangnam district, and I'll show you two very unique and different places to visit while in this city. Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and this is Oppa Gangnam Style. And this is the COEX Mall, and check out this great big bookstore library they have here. This is really something. Look inside here. This is a library, and they have big old benches here, long table and escalator, and kind of neat to see this place. Let me take you on a little walking tour around this area. They got their own Starbucks in here, and let's go up on this escalator and show you these books, how they have them all lined up high atop. Look at this. Look at the ceiling. Above you could see outside the skyscrapers. And here's a look around, a panoramic view as I go up the escalator, looking at the library. Let's go take a little walk around this way. This mall is in the Gangnam district. You may know it from the pop song a few years ago, Gundam. There we go. Look at that. Pretty neat. Real big bookstores, you can tell. Look at these books, way high atop. So I would say this is definitely worth a see if you're in the Seoul, in the area, in the Gangnam area. Definitely stop by and check out this bookstore. It's kind of neat. You never see usually anything like this around these days. Bookstores are pretty much, libraries, a dying thing. But this one is pretty unique within itself. These are the famous hands made forth by the pop song Gangnam Style. Check out these big, this is at the mall here, at the Gangnam Style Mall. You see they have a big sign here talking about it. Close-up view of these hands showing at the mall here. Let's go see underneath the hands. Talk to the hand. And this is what it looks like coming out of the hands from the mall. So right across the street from the big Gangnam Mall, you'll find this temple. Pretty cool. Let me go in and check this temple out. Look at these great big elephant ears here. Nice. This is a good shot right here because you could see the gate of the temple along with the big mall in the background. The old versus the new, and then the Korean skyline behind it. Beginning entrance gate here into this temple. And they even have information here for foreigners, so let's check out what this is. Maybe get ourselves a map. So this is pretty cool. They give you a free map. Look at this statues here. Check this out. Nice. Colorful doorway here, and here's another big old, actually two of them. Sword here, and then this one's playing with a mandolin, a guitar style. So as we get a little closer, you can hear the chanting off here. Let's see what's happening here. There's another gate going through. So this is pretty cool, hearing the chanting as you go up these steps. Bow 3 times and keep proceeding. Look at this, they got candles lit. This is a look back at the temple steps we just came up on. So this is building number 4 that we're going up to right now, the main Buddhist hall. So it looks like they have some prayers going on here. May not allow photography inside, but let me see as I make my way this way. A little peek inside. So this area is only for the monks and the nuns, so I will not be going in there. But this is the main temple right here as I make my way around it and show you. So this is building number 6, right here, building 6. So this building 6 is where one of the Buddhists was enshrined. And it's also another prayer hall. Let's see, unfortunately, oh, they do have people in there moving around, but I don't think I'll be able to get inside. Let's see, maybe here this way. Yeah. So this is Tibet style type of architecture here. So let's go up to building number 7, go up these steps and continue this little tour of the temples here. As I make my way up to building 7, take a look at where we were just at, down below there. Look at those little white lamps. Really add a really nice touch from here. You can really see how it dresses it up really well with the skyline. Okay, so this is building number 7. So you saw the Buddha there in the middle, enshrined in building number 7. And now I'm going to head on up these steps and show you building number 8. This is Shrine's the Big Dipper. The shrine is famous for its endless visit of devotees. Outside view of building 8. Look at these little... It's really nice. They got the fans going here to keep this place a little cooler. There's Buddha here. And you can see the big Buddha right there is number 10 that we're going to. That's the big, fantastic finish here. So this area here saying only for monks, please keep off. So a little log cabin, kind of neat. So just before seeing the big Buddha statue, here's another monk's, more chanting. You are looking at building number 12, and behind it is the big white Buddha. That is something to see, so let's go take a look at it right now as I make my way up these steps. Coming out, look at that. Wow, check out that statue. Big, big Buddha. Beautiful. And then you swing around and see the big Buddha. Look at this, fantastic. This is why you come all this way and check out these temples. You never know what kind of gem you'll find in them, and this is certainly one of them. Take off your shoes in this area if you're going to walk on the tile, and swing it around here. So this Buddha is representing to bring peace between the two Koreas, North and South. So about 10,000 for 10 years Buddhists participated in this project, and it is beautiful. Look at this. They got all these Buddhists up here around, and then a whole bunch of little ones behind it, as you can see. Look at that. All these Buddhas all the way up. So that's why they said there's like 10,000 of them. And then the other ones surrounding this outer area. So as you take a look around and see the big Buddha up top, you can see many of them around this area. I think they said there's 10,000 of these Buddhas in this little area alone. So quite a bit that they're counting. And then you got the lamps above. So this is definitely worth it. Come to this temple, check it out, see these things for yourself. This is why you hop on a plane or boat or train, whatever it is, to get here, to appreciate things like this that you may not see in your your part of the world where you're from. And I'm glad I did this. Wow, look at this. And you come out here, and then you can see the Buddha from this area, high up top, right there. And then they have candles lit below with a note, please don't put up the liquid candle, there's a risk of fire. Also, incense are lit in appreciation to the Buddha. They light the incense right here, and then they stick it in the sand right there. Just like that. This is pretty neat. As you see the tile in front of it, you see the skyline, how it reflects off of it. And this is the place to come at night, really, where it all lights up really nicely. And it's one of the most busiest places for praying. Buddhists come here and pray and really appreciate this. This was finished in 1996, so this isn't really that old, this structure here. And notice this, another thing, all these Buddhists are posed differently. They each all of them have their own little pose. As you can see, these hands on the stomach and hands together underneath the cloth. So that's the uniqueness of these Buddhas, and they all have a certain meaning to why they pose that way. Look at this is the big drum right here. Big gong, big drum, big everything. Let's take a look at it from here. Look at that. Wow. Imagine the sound that makes when they hit it. Make a little better close-up view of the drum right here. Look at that. Big drum to the right and the bell to the left. It's banged. Right in front of that is building number 12. So that concludes my walking tour of the Gangnam area. If you're ever in the Seoul area, this is only a 30-minute train ride to get here to this area, and you can check out the mall and the temple for yourself. If you found this video informative and enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to receive more of this informative content, please subscribe to the channel. I post a new video every week. Thank you so much for watching.